Only kill that stupid Larry evil Larry. Let's go kill the evil chicken out.
Larry, you're going down. How about I take your stupid hat OFF and CWHO you are really are. Oh my god, Larry. How could you?
Because I think you're stupid, so I did this to you when you were green. Because you watched my first silly song and you were scared of it, and I did a scary voice, ha!
You traitor.
Well, I guess my idea here is now your death.
Yes. Evil Larry is done.